Hello guys, welcome to Learn 360 Degree. Please subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Here it is a new series started. It is useful for Hstr, Gpstr, TET, CET, KVS, PU lecturer, Ncert physics of class 11 with the important topic units and measurements. Here we are going to cover all the topics of physics one by one. For units and measurement, this is a lecture 1. Let's start with units and measurement topic. So what is the meaning of measurement? The comparison of any physical quantity with its standard unit is called as measurement. So what is the meaning of physical quantity? All the quantities in terms of which laws of physics are described is called as a physical quantity, and whose measurement is necessary are called as physical quantities. So what is the meaning of units? A definite amount of physical quantity is taken as standard unit, means which is having a definite amount is called as standard, and the standard unit should be easily reproducible, internationally accepted. That is very important. So fundamental units. Here we know that what are the fundamental units and what is the meaning of fundamental unit. So those physical quantities which are independent to each other are called as fundamental quantities, and their units are called as fundamental units. Let's go through these fundamental quantities. We know that we have total 7 fundamental quantities. So first is length, then mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. These are 7 important fundamental quantities. The unit of length is meter and symbol is written as small m. Unit of mass is kilogram, written in kg. Unit of time is second, right with yes. Temperature is measured in Kelvin. So here we just write K. Electric current measured in ampere, write A, or in short AMP we can write it as. Luminous intensity is measured in candela, written as small cd. Amount of substance measured in mole, written as MOL. So these are all about fundamental units. Now we have another units. We have taken it as supplementary units. So these supplementary units are radian and steradian are two important supplementary units. We have a 7 fundamental units plus 2 supplementary units. So two supplementary units are, one is plane angle, another one is solid angle. Plane angle is measured in radian and denoted as RAD. Solid angle is measured in steradian and written as unit is written as SR. Next, we will see what is the meaning of derived units. Those physical quantities which are derived from fundamental quantities. Already we have a 7 fundamental quantities, and those units which are derived from these fundamental quantities are called as derived quantities, and their units are called as derived units. For example, velocity, acceleration, force, work, etc. We will go through one by one. So definition of fundamental units. So before that, I want to explain this for a little bit more. So velocity. Velocity can be written as, means it is a change of distance with respect to time. Here we know that distance is also a fundamental unit and time is also a fundamental unit. To describe the velocity, we need distance and time. With the help of fundamental units, we can describe velocity, which is a derived unit. Like this, we have acceleration. Once we know that velocity, by differentiating that velocity with respect to time, means change in velocity with respect to time is taken as acceleration. Similarly, force is taken as mass into acceleration. Like that, we can derive these units with the help of fundamental units. Next, we will go through the definition of these fundamental units. What is the exact meaning of these fundamental units? we have a seven fundamental units. Out of that, I will take first one as 1 kilogram. So what is the exact meaning of 1 kilogram, or what is the standard meaning of 1 kilogram? A cylindrical prototype mass made of platinum and iridium alloys of height 39 mm and a diameter of 39 mm. Its mass of 5.0188 into 10 raised to 25 atoms of carbon 12 is equal to 1 kilogram. Next, we will see the definition of 1 meter. So what is the exact standard definition of 1 meter is the distance that contains, see the unit. See here, the distance that contains 16,50,763.73 wavelength of orange red light of Kr means krypton 86. Next, what is the meaning of 1 second? 1 second is a time in which cesium atom vibrates. See, this much times in an atomic clock. Just you have to remember, four options will be given. Out of that, you have to select this one. Next, 1 Kelvin. What is the exact meaning of 1 Kelvin? 1 Kelvin is 1 by 273.16th part of thermodynamics temperature of triple point of water. As we go through the thermodynamics topics, you will come to know what is the triple point of water. So one candela is 1/60th luminous intensity of an ideal source by an area of centimeter when source is at melting point of platinum, that is 1760 degree Celsius. Next, what is the meaning of 1 ampere? 1 ampere is the electric current which is maintained in two straight parallel conductor of infinite length of a negligible cross-section area placed 1 meter apart in vacuum will produce between them a force of 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 Newton per meter length. I know this is little bit difficult to understand, but this is not as much as important. Just you have to know the meaning of these for the examination purpose. 1 mole. 1 mole is the amount of substance of a system which contains the many elementary entities, maybe atoms, molecules, ions, electron of groups, particle as this and atom in 0.012 kg of carbon isotope means 6C12. So in this lecture, we covered fundamental units, derived units, and what is the exact meaning of these seven fundamental units and supplementary units. Just you have to revise this, and remaining part we will see in our next lecture, that is units and measurement part 2. Thank you so much guys for watching this. Please subscribe if you found helpful. Thank you.